the name?
Her name is Cuppy.
And this is her artwork.
And her artwork is beautiful. She's known for, because her great relative from a long time ago is Picasso. So her name is Cuppy Picasso.
Wait, say that again. So what do the feathers do?
The feathers make it go slower, so when you put it down, it works better. She's kind of clumsy. She's clumsy.
So the feather kind of slows down the motor.
Yeah, like when they're down, when it's up, because it knocks into the
All right.
Oh my god.
Stop. Wow.
Maybe I would take off one of the weights.
Take off what?
One of the weights.
Tell me, what did you do to make it more balanced?
Took the weights off.
So you have weights where? Can you show me?
So the weights, I have 2 in there, and I did have 3 up here, but then I took 2 off,
And now it's not falling over anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Do you have any idea why that might have been?
it was too heavy.
Okay. Okay, how about this both explain? This works by,
Yes.
okay.
If you cut that little switch on right here, if you cut the switch on, it will start moving.
And we made a little addition that if you
Yes.
pick the flap up,
It
it will
block
get
it.
stuck.
Yeah.
It'll not move, and then you
If
put
you
the
want-
slap, and then you can put it back, and then it will move again.
And then if you,
So show it moving and show it not moving.
okay, this is gonna be it.
You can turn it on.
This is gonna be it moving.
No, this is not moving.
Yes.
So say that again. How did a mistake turn into something that would have been good?
Because I fixed the mistake. We fixed the mistake because first when you put the hat on, we made that a hat and it stopped the propeller. But then after we were thinking a little bit, we thought that we could put the propeller down. We thought that we could just do it with our hands. And then we found a device that actually could keep it down and stop it.
Yeah.
Anytime you want, and you just have to unhook that so it can go down again.
Okay, so
No, put the hook right here. Cause yeah, remember you're gonna hook it.
should I glue this or tape it?
You should already glue it.